Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using JAMOVI. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to insert box plot in JAMOVI. You can find more videos on JAMOVI, SPSS, RStudio, Excel, econometrics and statistics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the data set. So here I have the hypothetical data of 25 students. Gender, their marks in internal exam and external exam. Now what is the use of box plot? So box plot is the graphical representation of the distribution of the data set, and we can find whether we have any outliers in the data. So suppose we want to insert the box plot for internal marks. So let's see the procedure. So first you go to analysis. In analysis we have the option of exploration, and in exploration we have the option of descriptives. So first you go to analysis, then exploration and descriptives. Now we want to generate the box plot for internal, so select internal and move it to the variables box. Now we want box plot for male and female both, so you select gender and move it to the split by box. Now here we have the option of plots, you can see, and then you click box plot, and here by default label outliers is selected. You see the result. So this is box plot for male and this is the box plot for female. Now how to interpret it? So here let's understand the interpretation now. Let me open the pen. So this is lower value, minimum value, this is maximum value, this is Q1, this line is median, and this is Q3. So median is equal to Q2, and this entire box is interquartile range. So 25% of the observations are here below Q1. The next 25% are here. Another 25% are between median and Q3, and remaining 25% are between or above Q3. So this box shows the 50% of the observations. 50% of the observations. And if you have any outliers, these outliers are somewhere here, above this maximum line or below the maximum line. Now let's insert the box plot for external and see the result. So instead of external, now let's say we have the box plot for external. Now you see the result. Here we have observation number 24 in female group, which is outlier. So with the help of box plot we can find the outlier. Now let's see. Go to data and check observation number 24. See, this is 24 and her marks in external exam is 8. So this is how we can find the outlier or use the box plot to visualize the data. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.